engine, Gen 2. Like I said, air conditioning, power steering, heat. Fan will kick on here in a little bit. Everything works. Everything, it uses the factory Mustang ECU. Wiring harness, everything works as it should. Door poppers, those Halabrand style wheels, and one thing I really like. A lot of space in there, subs, mid-bass speakers, jump posts, nice upholstery, a lot of space. Like I said, this used to be my daily. Daytona license plate, historic. We even got independent suspension. Like I said, all brand new. Sway bars. 335 section tires, Halabrand style wheels, Willwood brakes, absolutely timeless design. M5 frozen Arctic blue paint is designed to be satin like that. All LED lights underneath here. Engine bay, everything's really clean. Usually you have the engine cover on it, but not today. We're doing some work on it. All the hose routed nicely. There goes your air conditioning, Rosso tanks, power steering, coolant overflow, space frame technology. This is actually the very first. The Gen 3 chassis was the first space frame. That's where it has all these different space frames. It's a lot lighter and a lot stiffer. Coney single adjustables with upper and lower control arms fully adjustable. So yeah, you could say this is a kit car technically, but look at how many really nice parts are on there. Like I said, check out those front 2-piece Willwood 6-piston 15-inch brakes. I mean, they're supercars. They don't have some of this technology on here. Really, really nicely done. Even brought it out here just so you guys could see. Which brings me on to the interior. My favorite part of this car besides the Coyote engine. Speed hut, Platinum Series gauges. I got this little switch extension from my turn signals, but we got the touchscreen radio, start button there. I put those little door straps on there. My amps are behind the seat, fire extinguisher. Got my heated seat knobs back there, and I actually welded up these pretty sweet headrests up here. I'm actually really proud of those. Those are one-off, only on this car. Never seen another Daytona with headrests. And like I said, a couple people stole this idea from me of this door latch. Looks really nice. Stainless steel button head hardware, leather strap. Just a real nicely done interior. Like I said, heated leather seats, adjustable on the driver's side. Got a little cup holder there. Shifter, everything is really ergonomical. It's tight in there, but it's nice. And just look at here in this exploded view. Just a really nicely done kit car. And this is what you get from Factory 5 if you build it right. You could also build it on the cheap. You might be able to get away with building one, you know, with a donor engine, all donor parts for $60,000 if you can get the parts super cheap. But nowadays anymore, might as well just get everything new, like this one. But it's just done really nice, and I just wanted to show you guys it's not just a kit car. Everything's basically new on here.